I think you have to go through pain or struggles para makita mo yung beauty ng life after. Umabot ka rin sa point na yun ng career mo na bakit pa ako nandito or bakit parang ang tagal.
Alam mo kung bakit alam na alam ko yan. Pero tayo naging forever best friend ng lahat.
Yeah.
Diba? Lahat sila naging best friend na natin
Oo.
eh.
Ako yung hanap ng love. And that's why I would find love in the wrong places with the wrong person. But it changed my life.
Hi! Welcome to Kelly. Kasama natin si Miss Nikki Valdez.
Hello, ate. Thank you for inviting me.
Uy, thank you for being here, diba? Maraming salamat for being here. Nikki, kumusta ka na?
I'm good. Parang this year, medyo relax yung schedule ko. Ayan, kaya may time for interview with you. Ganun.
So, mas relax ka na ngayon nung...
Oo. Last year kasi medyo nagtuloy-tuloy ako. So, this year, I'm embracing yung kahit pa paano, diba, we need that downtime.
Rest.
Oo, para hindi naman ma-burnout or may mga in-betweens. Pero yun, parang this year was more for myself and my family.
Pero parang ang dami nangyari na sa'yo.
Oo naman, maraming hindi maganda, marami ding mas magagandang nangyari. I think you have to go through pain or struggles para makita mo yung beauty ng life after.
Ngayon naisip ko, parang mas maraming doors ang nag-open sa'yo.
Nung tumanda ako.
Diba?
Oo, delayed lahat, but it was all worth it. Mas masarap minsan ang feeling nung alam mong hinintay mo. Tinuruan ka niyang maging...
Baka hindi nila naiintindihan ko anong hinihintay.
Kasi it was only last year when I won my awards, my acting awards. Nakakuha ko ng acting awards for
Awards, ha?
our movie Family Matters, which was our Metro Manila Film Fest 2022 entry. Of course, awards, hindi naman yun yung katapusan ng parang, nagka-award na ako, ang saya, di ba? And it's not everything sa career natin bilang artista. Ako, masaya lang ako na sa edad kong ito, I'm 45, 28 years in the business. Diba, minsan tayong mga artists, umaabot tayo sa point ng career natin na feeling natin, parang, bakit ganun? Diba may mga questions tayo? I'm sure ate, ikaw, umabot ka rin sa point na yun ng career mo na, bakit pa ako nandito? Or bakit parang ang tagal ng kumbaga sa negosyo, yung ROI, di ba? Yung feeling mo hindi ka na papansin, feeling mo hindi ka na...
Kasi alam mo kung bakit alam na alam ko yan. Pero tayo naging forever best friend ng lahat. Diba? Lahat sila naging best friend na natin
correct.
Lahat sila naging best friend
Kulang na lang pati yung mga child star, di ba? Maging I mean, sabi ko nga, it's not like hindi maganda yun. Ano na yun,
Kasi
di ba?
trabaho din yun.
Oo, tsaka para makilala ka, di ba pag nakita nila, ay, ikaw, pabansang best friend ka, masaya naman ako. Pero sometimes, di ba, may point sa career mo na you want something else. Di ba? You want growth sometimes sa mga ginagawa mo. And gusto mo naman din mag-experiment ng iba-ibang characters, di ba? Sabi ko nga, hindi ibig sabihin na na-recognize ka, titigil ka na. But at least, nakuha mo yung gratification kahit matagal. Ang sarap pala ng pakiramdam na dinaanan mo lahat yun. Di ba yung journey mo?
Baka kailangan mo pagdaanan yung yung iba-ibang emosyon.
Yun na nga. Yung para maging mas appreciative ka nung mga gagandang bagay na dadating at dadating pa. Sabi nila, like fine wine, yung habang tumatagal, mas sumasarap. Ganun yung feeling ko, nandun ako sa season na yun ng life ko. Na siguro dahil napagdaan ko na nga lahat ng emosyon na sinasabi mo. Nainis na ako, nagalit na ako, nasaktan na ako, umiyak na ako, lahat na. And now I'm here, and I'm still here. Diba?
You were given a second chance in life.
Yeah. Alam mo yan!
Not everyone is given a second chance. Diba?
Correct.
Not everyone is given a second chance. And Olivia embraced that.
Yes.
Olivia is her daughter.
Mm-mm.
Olivia also embraced that.
Yes. In fact, kung hindi dahil sa kanya, wala naman na talaga akong balak mag-settle down or magpakasal ulit. When Luis, husband ko ngayon, came into my life at nakilala siya ni Olivia, it was because of Olivia na, Mama, I want Tito Luis to be my papa. Doon ako yung parang, what? Why? Yung samantalang noon, ako yung hanap ng love. And that's why I would find love in the wrong places with the wrong person. But this time, I didn't force it. So parang for me, that was the biggest sign. Sabi niya sa akin, oh, because I can see that he's a good friend to you. And he takes care not only of you, but of me too. Sabi niya. Tapos, and I love him. So doon na ako, parang mas bigla akong elevator acting on, parang, wait, you have to know why you're saying that you love this person.
So why love?
Yun na nga, because she could see na mabait sa akin si Luis, na kaibigan na. Yun ang nakikita niya. Holy Week yan eh. Parang sumama siya kay Luis at binuha siya ni Luis papasok na simbahan. So, dun siguro na, ng anak ko na, wait, parang iba to.
Ang sinasabi ko lang, hindi bibigyan ng second chance in love.
Yes.
Pero lahat ng tao po nabibigyan ng second chance. We always have a second, third, fourth.
I guess, nasa sa atin din yun. Kasi sometimes we're blinded or we're deaf because of what's happening to us. Before I met Luis, I was in the dark when it came to relationships. Kasi feeling ko, because of my trauma, na hindi ko naman na-address, maybe I wasn't aware na may pinagdadaanan pala akong trauma from my failed marriage. Umabot ako sa point na sinabi ko, ayoko na. Inaamin ko naman, umabot ako sa point na aside from yung I had to go back to work because I was a single parent nung time na yun. I was just always out of the house to the point na hindi ko masyadong nakakasama yung anak ko. Siguro sabi ni Lord, dito ka muna. Baka napapabayaan mo na yung anak ko. Or ano. Kung tumigil ako, binigay niya.
You were more focused on your pain, on your hurt, on your trauma, na hindi mo na bibigyan ng pansin si Olivia. Is it okay to mention the disability of her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Because for me, it's not a disability. It's physical, yes. You can see it. I'd like to call it different.
Okay.
That's what I call it. My daughter is different because she's physically different. She's normal. She can do anything that anybody... Ako, I'd like to...
For those who hindi alam,
it's called symbrachydactyly, which means the loss of her... The left side, inborn to. She was 4 months old inside my tummy pa nung nakita doon sa congenital scan. So, at 4 months old in my tummy, they already saw that wala siyang grip. Actually, ang initial pang diagnosis was no left hand kasi super liit. So, it looks like this kasi wala siyang ganito. But, one good thing that we got out of that was when we took her to the OT, occupational therapist, ang tinest is ginanito yung rattle sa harap niya.
Yeah.
Yung left niya yung pinang-grab ng rattle. So,
never knew.
yes. So, sabi nung OT, usually in cases like this, kasi ang symbrachydactyly, there's all kinds. Meron sa ear, may mas maliit na ear, meron sa heart. So, usually daw, people with that kind of condition, hindi na nakakaramdam kung ano yung part yung affected. Siya, in her case, kung ano yung sinasabi ng right brain niya, sa right parts niya, mga limbs niya, yun din ang nakukuha ng left niya.
Oh, so nakakahawak siya?
Nakakahawak siya ng pitchel.
Ang galing!
Oo, she hooks the pitchel with her left hand. And then, glass, ganun. Meron kaming training sa kanya na si Luis. If you're gonna open a bottle of whatever, soft drinks or you have to try. You have to try. And if you can't open it, then you can't drink it. Pati paghiwa ng meat using And we purchased this, parang rubber lang siya. Ganda. It's called the Easy Hold. So, para dun sa mga walang grasp, mag-bike or whatever, pwede nilang ipasok yun. Ano siya, para siyang rubber, tapos may dalawang bilog dun. So, parang ang mangyayari, well, let's say may pencil, you-hook mo yun dun, and then ipapasok mo yung kamay mo. So, she uses that now. May mga sizes yun as you get older. In the future, she can drive. She can learn how to drive. She knows how to ride the bike. So many things that you think she won't be able to do, but she can. It takes a supportive environment. Of course, you have to make them realize yung reality, yung harsh reality of their condition. But at the same time, you encourage. Huwag mo silang ikahiya, huwag mo silang pigilan. Kasi, sabi nga sa amin ng doctor, you won't have a problem. Ang daming ganyan. You just don't see them. Actually, pinayuan ako ni Direk Kwento. Sabi niya, alam mo, Nikki, di mo pwede naman sabihin kay Olivia na nagkasakit kayo, kaya siya nagkaganon. Totoo. Di man ako nagkasakit eh. Normal ang pregnancy ko and all. But you can always tell her that every person is different from another. It just so happened that your difference is seen.
Pero alam mo kanino ko, saludo sa lahat. Maliban sa'yo at kay Luis, okay, saludo na ako sa inyo. Pero yung totoong saludo ko, na nandiyan nakita ko the whole time. Yung totoo.
Damn. Si Mami.
Nanay. Yung totoo.
Correct.
Yung nanay.
Hala, naiyak na.
Yung totoo. Hindi lang, ito yung nakikita kayo, napapagalan ako. Yung nanay mo talaga.
Kaya ganun din ako sa anak. Hanggang ngayon, nasikaso niyo pa rin ako.
Oo, yung tiyaga, yung, saka never mo nakita yung nanay mo na yung parang napagod.
Never.
Talaga, hindi ako
Never.
nabibiro.
Hanggang ngayon, hanggang sa anak ko, lahat. Up to this day, kahit simple text or ngayon, pagka, di ba, tournament ka ng tennis, magte-text yan, na, how's your game, ganyan. Hindi yan nakakalimot. At kahit, let's say maaga kami aalis ha, sasabihin talaga niya, pwede mo akong puntahan sa kwarto para masabi ko sa'yo na wait lang.
Diba? Ako naman yung Hindi kasi nakita ko talaga yung mom. Hindi ko makakalimutan kasi. Hindi ko ako sa celeb ba yun or sa kung saan man. Basta nakita ko yung mommy mo. Tapos biglang naghaya ko sa'yo, naghaya ko kay Luis.
Sili ko sa celeb yan, naalala mo nagsuswimming si Q, si Quentin.
Tapos tumatakbo ganyan.
Tapos di ba nandun tayo sa patio?
Oo.
Tapos galing kayo ata sa
Oo.
likod. Magmimerienda kami nun. Last year lang yun.
Oo.
Around this time.
Oo.
Last year.
Sabi talaga, si mommy.
Nag-family day lang kami.
Sabi ko si mommy. Mami!
My mom is a strong woman.
Sabi ko, no.
Kaya ganito. Kasi
Diba?
dahil sa kanya.
Ever since, nandun siya. Ano yung feeling ni Mami about kay Olivia nung nangyari to? Baka nga siya pauna umiyak sa'yo.
Totoo. You mean yung nalaman namin yung condition?
Mm-mm.
Everyday magkausap kami. Overseas.
Mm-mm.
Sa kanya ako.
Naniniwala naman ako. Kasi nung nandun tayo, tinawagan pa natin siya.
And when everything was going downhill sa marriage ko, sa first marriage ko, alam ng nanay. Nung bata ako, di ba sabi nila pagka-close kayo rin yung lagi nagtatalo, kayo yung lagi. Ganun kami ng mom ko. But, when I got pregnant, I wrote her a long letter. And I apologized for all my mistakes, for all the times that I think I hurt her. And I told her, now I understand the feeling. That, kasi sinasabi niya sa akin, alam mo, pag nanay ka na, kahit dulo ng buhok ng anak mo, ayaw mo pangalaw. You never really understand how being a mom is until you are. So yun, napagdaanan ko rin yan. Tapos sabi ko nga, hindi pala talaga tumitigil ang pagiging isang magulang. Tingin mo, hanggang ngayon, ako, 45 years old, I still tell my mom, I'm here na. Tarating na ako. Kasi yun na lang mabibigay natin sa kanila, yung peace of mind. Pagkasama niyo pa yung magulang ninyo, gawin nyo na lahat ng pag-aaruga, it's your giving back eh.
Yung sabi ko sa iyo eh, oo, sige, okay. Alam ko yung mga pinagdaanan mo. Sabi ko, I'm so happy for you, di ba? Pero, yung talagang, ito yung beneath my wings talaga ito.
Ito seryoso.
Di, totoo siguro.
Yes, siya talaga.
Di ba?
Literal.
Hindi, totoo talaga. Kasi, yun yung sa observation. Siguro sa mga nakakilala ko kay Nikki at sa kasa namin. Masasabi. Oo. What are your fears?
Sa totoo lang, pati yung mga fear ko nag-improve eh. Hindi, natuto na akong i-acknowledge that with every good thing, there will always be a bad. That's life. There can be no good without the bad.
You have to go through something to be able to achieve something good.
Correct.
Parang ganun yung
Yeah.
sinasabi mo. Okay. So, ano nga ang fear mo for Olivia?
Ang fear ko is more of yung well-being. When that day comes na, kasi pag nasa real world na siya, di ba, yung tatrabaho pa na and all,
She will be able to face it.
ma-face niya lang headstrong everything that she will go through. At saka yung her difference bring her somewhere she can ever imagine. Tsaka, di ba, as long as you're alive, there's always
Hope.
There's always hope, there's always a chance.
And Olivia will always be given that chance.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Because you have that, your mom is headstrong. Sabi ko, tingin sa lang nanay mo, walang tigil yan, kaya umayos ka eh. In other words. Diba? Sabi nga nila, a prayer of a mother talaga.
Ay!
Hindi
Hindi dinidecline yan.
diba? So yung prayer mo para kay Olivia, hindi na madedecline yan. And I think Olivia was sent also to you, diba?
Yes.
To make you stronger.
You know, Olivia also came at the right time in my life when I felt so alone. 28 years old na ako nung kinasal ako. All 28 years of my life, I was with my family.
Yeah.
This was the first time ever that I left home. I migrated to Canada.
I know.
And I had nobody. Na all my life, andyan lang sila. Olivia changed my life. Kaya ako naging strong. Alam mo naman sa ibang bansa, ikaw lahat.
Mm-mm.
I finally had a purpose. Kasi akala ko naman, ito, isa na nga. Yung sobrang kinakain na ako ng lungkot ko.
Mm-mm. Grabe. Kung paano binago ng nanay mo yung buhay niya para sa'yo. I think binago ni Olivia ang buhay mo.
Correct. Oo, gusto ko na umuwi.
Alam ko.
Gusto ko na umuwi.
Actually, hindi ka pa nga buntis. Gusto mo lang
Hindi ko na kasi sinabi. Pero totoo yun.
Diba? Ano gusto mo sabihin sa future you with that mindset right now? Para, just in case, may nangyari sa'yo, sasabihin ko talaga, nakikita ko, tawagan ko.
Hoy! Nirecord ko to! Don't be stuck there.
Don't dwell on it.
Yeah. Kasi naranasan mo na yun eh. At napagtagumpayan.
So, you have
So ano pa ang hindi mo kayang gawin pa ngayon?
alam mo, hindi lang alam ng mga bata, yung mga anak, kung gaano ginagawa ng mga magulang para maging maayos.
Totoo.
No?
Totoo.
Pero kailangan din tayo magpasalamat sa ating mga anak. Sa totoo rin din. Because they have made us a better version.
Correct.
Thank you, Miss Nikki.
Thank you, Ate Kem.
Thank you very much. And meron kami something for you.
Naku naman!
The Artista Bag.
Uy! May pang-day.
Q Bags by Candy.
Yay!
Itetuhan natin yan ng bag para kay Mami.
Ang bait naman. Thank you.
Yan, thank you very much. Siyempre, maraming po salamat sa BNB Studios and Jackie Chin.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.